Tired of those weak, dribbly showers that leave you feeling unsatisfied? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, BESIQ High Pressure Shower Head. Let's kick things off with the BESIQ High Pressure Shower Head. This handheld beauty is priced at $29.95, and what caught my attention was its impressive 10 functions, including a built-in pause mode. If you want a customizable shower experience that actually boosts water pressure, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The BESIQ uses air-in technology to maximize water pressure, which means even if you're in a low-pressure area, you'll still get that refreshing blast. The 10 functions include pulsating massage options that are perfect for easing sore muscles after a long day. Plus, with its no-clog nozzle design and a leak-proof 6-foot hose, you can say goodbye to grime buildup and leaks, ensuring a smooth shower every time. With over 10,000 units sold in just the past month, it clearly hits the mark for many users. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you can hand tighten a few screws, you'll get it set up in about 5 minutes, no plumber needed. So while some might find the setup a hassle, it's really not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile shower head that combines power and convenience. Skip this one if you prefer a fixed shower head, but for the price, you're getting a ton of features. Now, if the BESIQ's multitude of functions feels overwhelming, this next product simplifies things while still delivering high pressure. Product number 2. Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head, which retails at $52.99. What really caught my eye is the unique magnetic docking feature that lets you switch between a fixed and handheld shower effortlessly. If you want a shower experience that feels like a spa, this one is definitely worth considering. This rain shower head features a generous 12-inch square design and 278 spray nozzles that provide full body coverage, replicating that refreshing rain feeling. The dual shower head means you can use both the handheld and fixed options simultaneously, which is a game changer for busy households. The added power jets make it easy to clean your pets or wash down the shower. Considering that over 10,000 have been bought recently, it's clear that this one is popular for a reason. However, some users mention that the magnetic docking isn't as strong as they expected. But here's the thing, as long as you click it in place correctly, it holds well. So while some may worry about it not being secure, most users find it effective for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a modern, versatile shower setup that offers a luxurious feel. Skip this one if you want a more basic, traditional shower head. For the features you get, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more straightforward approach. Product number 3 is the JDO High Pressure Shower Head. The JDO High Pressure Shower Head is next, priced at just $20.97. I was impressed by its 6 different shower options, allowing you to customize your experience depending on your mood. If you want a balance of affordability and variety, this is worth considering. With features like air induction technology, this shower head delivers a strong pressure stream even in low pressure conditions, which is a lifesaver for anyone who has struggled with weak water flow. The 59-inch flexible hose and adjustable bracket make it easy to find the perfect angle, plus it's designed to prevent limescale buildup. The fact that it can be installed in under a minute is a huge bonus, especially for those of you who aren't too handy at home. Now, some people pointed out that the material feels a bit flimsy, but honestly, at this price point, you're still getting a solid product that performs well. So while it might not feel as premium, it does deliver on the promise of high pressure and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable shower experience. Skip this if you're looking for something that feels heavy duty. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you want something that looks a bit fancier, our next pick is a great step up in style and performance. Product number 4, SparkPod Showerhead. Next on the list is the SparkPod Showerhead, priced at $32.40. This one caught my eye because of its luxurious design and promise of delivering a powerful rain-like experience. If you want a shower that feels indulgent without breaking the bank, this one is worth a serious look. The SparkPod boasts a high-pressure rainfall feature that douses your entire body in a warm cascade. It's made from rust-proof ABS plastic and has 90 easy-to-clean nozzles, which means you won't have to worry about maintenance. Plus, it connects to any standard shower arm in minutes, making it a hassle-free upgrade to your bathroom. With a maximum outflow of 1.8 gallons per minute, it also saves you on water costs, which is an added bonus. However, the design is a bit bulkier compared to other options. Some people may find it takes up more space than they'd like, especially in smaller bathrooms. But here's the thing, if you're looking for that spa-like experience at home, the size is a small price to pay for the luxury it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a shower head that feels premium and performs well. Skip this one if you have a very compact shower space. For under $35, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something that's been highly recommended by major media outlets, you'll want to hear about our final pick. Product number 5, HOPRO 5-Mode Shower Head. Last but not least is the Hopo Pro 5-Mode High Pressure Shower Head, which is a steal at just $15.99. I was really impressed with its 5 different shower modes and how it's been recommended by outlets like NBC News and The Washington Post. If you're after a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this one is worth checking out. This showerhead is designed with high water pressure in mind and features 66 easy-to-clean nozzles to ensure a steady stream. Its lightweight ABS plastic construction means it won't rust, and the quick installation process makes it a breeze to swap out with your old showerhead. The 360-degree adjustable design allows you to find your ideal angle, whether you're rinsing off or having a more relaxing shower. However, some users pointed out that the pressure might not be as high on certain settings. But here's the thing, if you stick to the massage or rain modes, you'll find that it performs admirably. So while the variety may have its limits, the key modes deliver solid performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable showerhead that still offers a strong performance. Skip this one if you need the absolute highest pressure on every setting. For under $20, it's an incredible deal for what you get. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bose because it combines the best features of both handheld and fixed options for a truly enjoyable shower experience. But I recommend avoiding the JDO if you need something that feels more premium. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.